what is an agentic workflow, right? It is where in some cases it could be completely agentic. It's a multi-step workflow that's automated where the AI is analyzing a piece of data, taking that data, putting it into the next step, move down. So we could take something as simple as builds a segment of middle-aged men who make $150,000 a year, target audience for a Audi, A4. And that could automatically be stripped into, let's say, an active campaign. And that automation is then triggered. Like there's a multitude of steps that have to happen to execute that. But a true agentic workflow will be able to do that. And 2026 is going to be a big unlock year for these agentic workflows where, look, some you still need a human in the loop where a human needs to do a touch or look at something to like approve it or let the AI go on to the next step. But there's some things, once the AI and you're comfortable with it, it'll be able to automate those things. So I see lots of automation happening around marketing, what I call the tried and true marketing, where it's very consistent and it's always like, hey, they bought a new car. We do not see their first service appointment scheduled. To me, that's a second sale. Their warranty's about to expire, and we don't see that last service appointment before they're turned into a customer pay customer. And let's get them in and let's get that full warranty fulfilled. But let's set them up with some prepaid package to keep them and transition them. I call that the third sale into a customer pay experience. It could be something else. Maybe it's prioritizing inbound leads, knowing that, hey, focus on this subset of leads with a little bit more effort. Keep these top of mind. These keep into automation. And these, most likely, they're just not in market yet. So you might want to put them on a trickle type application. So I think there's a host of different things. And we could even look into just inventory management. I think, honestly, this is the year. I'm going to put it out. I think it's built where it is dynamically pricing your inventory to market every 15 minutes. It's looking at how many similar cars, what their prices are compared to your price, and dynamically shifting to ensure your vehicle gets the number of VDP views necessary to trigger a sale. And I think this is going to take away a piece where used car managers use their gut to determine the pricing of cars. They do maybe a glance over Car Gurus or any of these third-party sites first, see what's in market, sort of. It's very, very, let's say, touchy-feely how it's done. Then they'll look at MRR. Then maybe they'll look at their inventory to see if they need that kind of car or what they've done in the past. I think all of that gets jammed together on a model and accelerated in real time. This is a year for this. I can already see this. Yeah.